I never wanted an outdoor fireplace until I saw the house I'm in, and then suddenly it was, I had to have it. My name is Dana Hogan, and I'm a part of the Britton Farms community. The most memorable part of my home buying journey was how easy the whole process was. The house that we chose was already mostly built. It was almost completed, and the customer service was great. They were very prompt in answering any questions that my realtor had and that I had. The closing process was a breeze. All of the paperwork, the walkthroughs, it was just so simple. Like, I was not stressed at all, and sometimes buying a home can be very stressful. Well, my favorite thing about the house is the kitchen, because I love to cook, I love to entertain, and I love how the kitchen and the living space, the living area is all open. The way that the home was delivered was, I felt like royalty. Like, from the bow on the front door and the doormat to walking in and there's a bag with all these little essentials and a card. It was just really thoughtful, and I've worked in customer service for a majority of my life, and just taking that extra bit, that extra step really makes the home buyer feel special. So I think that was really amazing. I would absolutely recommend Homes by Taylor to any of my friends and family that were looking for a house.